Hello everyone, I am your social science teacher. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 1, Going to School.
Kids, how do you go to school? Many students take bus, rickshaw, van, etc. Some children who are living nearby to school, they go on foot. If we talk about Delhi, where we are living, children use different means of transport to reach school. For example, rickshaw, scooty, bus, van, etc. Kids, do you know? Our India is a very big country. So, the land is not same at all places. Some places are plain, some not. Some are desert area and some are mountainous. That's why at all places same vehicles are not used for traveling. For example, in hilly area we can't ride bicycle as the path is uneven and rocky. So let's know how children reach school by different means of transports at different places. First, let's start with mind mapping. Transport used by children while going to school. Camel cart, scooty, rickshaw, vallam, which means boat, bus, jugaad, trolley, bullock cart, bicycle. So kids, through mind mapping, we come to know what exactly the chapter is about. Yes, it means in this chapter we are going to know different transports used by children while reaching school. First, let's talk about bamboo bridge. It rains so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain there is knee-high water everywhere. But that does not stop us from getting to school. We all hold our books in one hand and bamboo with the other. We quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to kids. Let's know where these bamboo bridges are used. Look at the map of India. The portion which is shown by red color is Assam. It is in the northeast side of India. Here it rains a lot. Sometimes the water is above knee level. So, while going to school, children use bamboo bridges. Let's talk about Ladakh, the trolley. Every day we have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. On both the sides it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley. An open box made of wood is known as trolley, which is attached with the rope. 4 or 5 of us sit in the trolley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. We reach the other side of the river in a short time. Look at the picture, kid. In this picture, a trolley is shown. And in Ladakh, to reach the school, children sit in this trolley which is made up of wood and cross the river. Look at the map of India. Ladakh is in the north of India. The portion which is shown by red color is Ladakh. On the right side, a trolley is shown. in which children are sitting and crossing the river. Cement bridge. We often need to go across some water bodies, so we use bridges. These are made of cement, bricks and iron rods. The bridge may also have steps. As you can see in the picture, on both sides of bridge there are steps. Now let's know about cement bridge. Cement bridge is strong, durable. It is made up of cement, iron rods, sand, bricks, etc. Many people can use together. Now let's differentiate between bamboo bridge and cement bridge. On the left side, bamboo bridge is shown, and on the right side, cement bridge is shown. Bamboo bridge is made up of bamboo and ropes. Cement bridge is made up of cement, iron rods, sand, bricks, etc. Bamboo bridge is weak and not durable, whereas cement bridge is strong and durable. Few people can use bamboo bridge together, but many people can use cement bridge together. Now let's talk about Vallam. In some parts of Kerala, we use a Vallam, small wooden boat, to reach school. Children, as Kerala has a coastal area and there are many backwaters and water bodies, so Vallam, a small wooden boat, is used by children while going to school. Now, at the right side, look at the map, children. In the south of India, Kerala is situated. And here you will find Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. That is why there are backwaters. On the left side, a Vallam is shown. Children are going to school in Vallam. Camel cart. We live in the desert. There is sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. We ride in a camel cart to reach school. As you can see in the picture, children are sitting on a camel cart and they are going to school. Bullock cart. We ride in our bullock cart going slowly through the green fields. If it is too sunny or raining, we use our umbrellas. Yes, do you know, children, where we find bullock carts? Bullock carts are seen in villages. Rajasthan. Look at the map of India, children. The portion which is shown by red color is Rajasthan. It is in the west side of India. It is a desert area. We find sand everywhere. So it's very hot. And do you know, children, who is known as ship of desert? Yes, camel is known as ship of desert. And camel cart is used by the children to go to school. Village in plains. Here bullock carts are used. We find green fields, sunny and rainy. Children use umbrellas and we find unmetalled road here. Bicycle ride. We ride our bicycles on the long road to school. At first, girls here did not go to school because it was too far. But now, groups of 7-8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. So children, through this we come to know that while going to school, children also use bicycle. On long roads, we use bicycle. To go to far places, we use bicycle. And on difficult roads, if it is plain, we can use bicycle. Wow! Now we'll talk about Jugaad. What a vehicle! Look at our special transport. It sounds fat, fat, fat when it runs. Is it not something special? The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood. Kids, is it not looking funny? Yes, it is looking a very funny vehicle, as its front is made up of motorcycle and the back is made up of planks of wood. And do you know where it is used? It is used in Gujarat. Look at the map. The portion which is shown by orange color is Gujarat, and it is in the western side of India. Now look at the vehicle, children. It's Jugaad. It means it is made up of waste material. It looks very funny and it sounds fat, fat, fat. Its front portion is made up of motorcycle and back portion is made up of planks of wood. It is also known as makeshift. Now let's talk about jungle. How children cross the jungle while reaching school. At some places there are thick forests, no sunlight and very silent. Only sounds of birds and creatures can be listened. But children go to school while crossing the jungle at some places. Now let's talk about Northern Hills. The portion which is shown by circle is Northern Hills. It is in the north of India. Here we find snow almost all the time. So while going to school, children hold their hands and walk carefully. Kids, do you know, if the snow is soft, your feet may sink, and if the snow is frozen, you may slip and fall. So, while going to school, you should be careful. Rocky paths. Now let's talk about Uttarakhand. We live in the mountains. The paths are rocky and uneven. The children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on these, but we can easily race up and down. Look at the map, kids. Uttarakhand is in the north of India. It is very rocky and uneven. Dense forests are found here. It is mountainous, and sometimes at high level there is snow everywhere. So, how children reach school here? They go on foot as the paths are rocky and uneven. Now let's recap how children go to school in different states. In Ladakh, children reach school by trolley. In Uttarakhand, on foot. Assam, they use bamboo bridges. In Kerala, Vallam is used. In Gujarat, Jugaad, a very funny vehicle, is used. In Rajasthan, Camel cart is used. Let's talk about Northern Hills. In Northern Hills, children hold their hands and walk carefully as there is snow everywhere. In village and plains, bullock cart is used. Children also cross the jungle while going to school, and some children go by bicycle to school. I hope the chapter is clear to you. Thank you.